Hey y'all, my name is Kanita, and if you are new, welcome. So y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know when your girl is posting. Okay, y'all, so as you know by this title, you already know what this is. Another hair review. Hey. Okay, so we get another hair review, y'all. So the name of the company of this hair is down below. Aliglossy. Just so you guys already know. And I'm going to give you guys a little info. I'm going to print a picture right here so that you guys can see. Let me give you my little info. Okay, so this is a short bob, human hair lace front wig for black women, 3x4, x1, lace front wig, 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, 10-inch straight bob, 3x4, x1 lace front wig. Okay, they made sure you know that 2 times. Okay, also it is again from Aliglossy, and this is a T-part wig, you guys. It has 4 combs and the back straps, you know. So that's the important information. So y'all go check them out. So y'all, let me give you the one. That's it. You know, and all that extra on this hair. Y'all, let me say this. Shout out to y'all for the gifts as well. You will see that further along in the video. So y'all, let me tell you this before I get into it. Y'all please stay till the end of the video. I usually talk to y'all because you know I want to show y'all some love and let y'all guys know exactly how the hair is and what I thought of the, of the process of the hair or whatever. But just make sure you stay to the end of the video so that you guys will see how I installed the unit. You can see the inside, different things like that. So that's important. Plus it helps your girl. Don't try to help. I mean, if you own hair, so you can just, I'm just playing. But no, y'all please stay to the end of the video. So, y'all, first of all, fast shipping. And along with that fast shipping, you get some beautiful hair. Y'all, it's bob season. So, summertime. So, it's time to rock this bob. Y'all, it's not plugged. So I did do a little plucking. I didn't do a whole lot. Like, I can go back in and do some plucking, y'all. But beyond that, this hair is soft. And it really just, I mean, you can tell that it got some type of version in it. It has some type of, they put a little extra on the hair. So I like that in the hair because, we feel the body. We can say, it's on, because it's moving. And then we go, that little, and put it right back, Let me get the brush. So we be, I'll see my mess cabinet. Okay, so go right back on here, y'all. I don't want all that extra. You can fluff it. You can curl it because it is human hair. And, I mean, I just like this hair. It feels really, really, really natural. It does feel really natural. I love the texture of this hair. When I washed it still bounced right back. I did see if it held curls. I did that off camera. But y'all, it holds beautiful curls. I wanted the straight look. So I didn't do the curls. But let's see what we have in store next time for you guys. So Aliglossy, let me get this name right. So we'll see what we have in store next time. But this right here, you guys, is a beautiful unit. If you are looking for something for the summer, y'all, because that's what I think about when I think about bobs. I think about summer. I mean, because you don't have to, you know, be hot, let the wind flow, you know, in this bounce, you know, in this hair, y'all. I mean, you gonna fall in love too. You gonna, cause Aliglossy did his thing on this, y'all. So, I mean, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 because I'm feeling it. It's giving what needs to be given. And we are setting off. I want Chanel 9 boots. Saw these niggas steady jocking because they know I'm the y'all feeling it. Y'all feeling it. Y'all feeling it. So if y'all are looking for something like it, especially now coming up for the summer, this is ready to go out, sis. Y'all, and this is like almost the length of my hair. My hair's probably like a little bit long. I mean, but I rock this before my hair. My hair is a whole nother situation. That's a whole nother situation. So, but and then everybody's like, Kanita, you don't know if you gonna like short because you ain't worn short in so long. But y'all, first I was like, and then I was like, yes, I'm feeling this short. I'm feeling it. And then I start swinging it, you know. Then when I go outside, the wind's blowing. You know, people like, oh, your hair's so cute. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Thank you. I try. But y'all, it's not very much to do. It's easy to maintain. You guys will see how I installed it. Thank you guys so much because I can't hold y'all long. We got to get ready for the next hair review. We got to get ready for the next hair review. So y'all watch this install. See how your sister did it. Y'all go check them out because 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 on my books. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Tell me if you like this hair. Do you think it's, you know, what y'all think about the short look on me? Even though, you know, I already gave myself the answer. But I would love to hear you guys, you know, just tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Is it something that you would rock? Y'all please stay to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming to my page, watching it. Check me out on Instagram. Y'all go follow your girl. Check me out on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe on this YouTube channel. Like, comment, share. Until the next hair video.